Welcome. If you've ever needed to quickly share a web page with friends, colleagues, or on social media, knowing how to copy a page link in the Google Chrome app can save you a lot of time. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily copy any page link right from your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in and have the latest version installed for the smoothest experience. Now navigate to the web page you want to share. This could be anything: a news article, a funny meme, or an important document. Once you're on the page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. This opens up a list of options that let you interact with the page in different ways. From this menu, find and select the option labeled Share. Tapping Share brings up several ways you can send the page to others, including messaging apps, email, and more. But for now, focus on the option that says Copy Link. It usually has a small link icon next to it. Tap Copy Link, and just like that, the page's URL is copied to your device's clipboard. You won't see anything pop up, but the link is now ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Open your messaging app, email, or any social media platform, tap and hold in the text box, and select Paste. Your link will appear, ready to share. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can quickly copy and share any web page link using the Google Chrome app. It's a handy trick for staying connected and making sure the right information gets to the right people fast. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need a quick Chrome tip. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.